Let's start the intro. Hi everybody, my name is Sharon. I'm a Final Cut video editor, and this channel is mainly dedicated for Final Cut Pro X, how to edit. But right now we're concentrating on how to create an intro for your OBS. Coming right up. Alright, so you saw that intro. So now that you can see the OBS, I can start the introduction, how to. What I did was, this is the preview. This is what you want them to see. This is the program. This is what you guys are seeing. So this is the next scene. This is the first scene. So when I press transition, it's gonna cut to what you're gonna see. So we are going to create a source. So press the plus button, and we're going to do your intro, and that will be, the name is already in use, is it? Your intro. Oh, okay. Your scene. Okay, your scenes, or scene, whatever. So this is your scene. On your OBS, you'll see nothing. You'll just see your scene. And then here, it's like you don't have any sources. So you press that, and then you should be able to, is this distracting? I will get rid of it. Then you press the plus and go to media source. Create new media source. I will just call it, you can just say your intro, which I've already done, your intro, and then press OK. Oh, oops, why did I do that? That defeats the purpose of this tutorial, doesn't it? Start again. Plus button, media source, just say your intro 2. Okay. Now we gotta browse, look in the computer for your video or intro video that you want. We want to untick this and just tick restart playback when source becomes active. We don't want to loop it because it will go over and over, and we don't want to show nothing when playback ends, otherwise it will show nothing. And we don't want to close the file when it's inactive. We just want to restart playback when source becomes active, okay? And then when I press transition, it's gonna go from this scene. When I press this transition, it will transition to back to where I'm at. So this is your your transition button. This is important. We go to your scene, add audio input capture, and we'll just say your Yeti 2, because OBS doesn't like, same names, so you have to pick something different. And then you got to pick your device, which is the Yeti, or whatever it is that you're using as a mic. So there, you got your Yeti and you got your intro in this scene. And then you got to create a next scene, which is called your face, I guess. Wow. All right. We're going to add, like what I did was I add an image. You can just add a display capture, which displays your window, like your Chrome or whatever that you're using, whatever application you're using to show. Or you could just do a video capture device like a DSLR that's connected to a capture card like Elgato or something like that. And or your web mic, I guess. I'm sorry, your web camera, which is like built in your computer. If not, then you'll be able to find it wherever it is. So I think for this demonstration, we'll just do an image, and I'll just say your image, and we will okay that. And then what image can we find? Oh, okay, yeah, okay, that'll do. That's your image, okay? And we could just, you know, make it small, make it big, make it fit into the square, whatever, you know. And then, so this seed is called your face. Well, let's pretend that's your face, and then that's your image. And then what you want to do is, if you want to talk over your image, you press audio input again, and you add the existing your Yeti. You've already, you know, done that. And then, yeah, you should be able to hear and see your image once you transition into it. So let's try that. There you go, you can hear me. And then, yeah, so that's what that's how you do your introduction. So I hope that makes sense. I really hope that makes sense. So your scene here should have your intro and the Yeti, the microphone. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to talk over the introduction, you can. If not, it's fine. You can just, you know, cross that off and toggle it back on. So for this demonstration's purpose, let's just go to your face first, and then press the transition. I won't do that now because you need to see what I'm going to do next. After I press the transition, then you press your scene, and then you just press transition, and that'll go to your, okay, we'll do a live test here. So here is your introduction, blah blah blah, this is your name, and then you click on to the your scene one on the sources, and then you press that video, and then back to wherever you want to go, or, you know, in this case I'm going to my desktop. I hope that wasn't confusing. It probably is confusing to new people, but if you're kind of like intermediate with this kind of thing, then you probably get it. Anyways, I hope that was helpful to somebody. Anyways, if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to find out more about these tutorials with OBS and Final Cut Pro. And perhaps I'll do some more editing videos for like TikTok or LumaFusion and the like. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Twitch. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. And I'm going to exit to my intro, and I'll see you soon. Actually, you know what happened? This was toggled off, so I have to toggle it on. Okay, and then press transition. So okay, my outro now again. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.